All right. Bam! The Mini Cooper's broken. Not really broken, but like having issues. Roll the intro. Okay, so the goal here is, this is the shift knob that I got. It's like a super heavy weighted 5-inch shift knob. It goes on, but it is the throw is too like long, and it's just too tall for me. So I'm gonna cut it till it's about this height. So then the throw is like this, and it feels a lot shorter, and I just like it more. I guess we'll see. I'm just gonna cut it with a bandsaw, and it should work. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it right below this plastic piece right here. Nope, so I'm not going to be able to thread it like I was hoping. But I did get this adapter piece, fit over that, and then this, there we go. This is my old shift boot. I'm going to go break this off first. So, what I was going to do, the way I do my shift knobs is you pretty much put it on, put a zip tie on it, tie it pretty dang tight. Snip it off down onto it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it an inch lower than that right now. For now. And when I am doing this, I'm gonna do the little holes, the little Allen key bolts that kind of go around this. I'm gonna put it on, mark it, I'm gonna drill it so that they actually sink in and they stay, because I don't like these things. Alright, so the first hole to do doesn't fully matter. So I just kind of put this in there, and I have a punch tool. I set it in there and rotate it so I can see where the line is going to be. I'm probably just going to drill one in. The other two are just going to hit. So this will be like the safety one. So then when this guy sits on there, the hole is lined up. Right there. Could go a tiny bit shorter too. Oh, that's good for now. I'll keep it at this length, and then I'll see if I want to. I could shorten it. So it was hitting this guy before, which was super annoying. Yeah, we're good. Cool. Well, that's that. I'll get like a B-roll of it. There's a vacuum leak from like right in this area. So I'm just gonna replace the valve cover gasket on this guy, and that should help with it. Now that I think about it, it might not be the valve cover gasket. It might be the valve cover. The valve cover gasket's down here. Well, shit. I noticed in the last video there's a lot of like echoing going on, but because I don't think this is close enough to my face, I'm gonna have it a little closer. we're gonna go right there. So it's in front of me. Still haven't gotten my stimulus. I kind of need it. I've been procrastinating on that shift knob. That's why I finally did it, and I thought it'd be something to film, so I just did that because I didn't really have anything else to film. I'm honestly just waiting for the weather to get nice so I can get motivated again to actually do stuff on my cars. The weather's been all over the place, and it's starting to get warm now, so I'll definitely start working on it more. As far as also like content, I don't want to push out content that's not like good and like quality, I guess. I don't want to rush things. So that's why if I skip a week, it's because I don't have any content to really film, and I don't want to like half-ass it and just rush it. I've also been procrastinating like editing the videos. Like I'm filming this on Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Tuesday, and it gets posted Wednesday. So I'm trying to get back in the groove of doing weekends filming and then doing a little bit of editing on Tuesday and then post Wednesday kind of thing. So when I do get my stimulus, that's also when I can start making some more like videos, because I'm kind of waiting on some parts that are pretty important. A wiring specialties harness and a I think it was sway bar relocation bracket. Actually, you know, I don't really need that yet. So it's gonna be pretty much the wiring specialties harness for like $900, and then something else that I could buy that's important, I guess, to get it going. I was gonna do a sway bar bracket, but I don't really actually have to do that because that's not really that important to get it going. So that'll wait, and I'll do that later. And also, I didn't really want to spend. I'm gonna see how much it was for the steering rack relocation bracket. 300. I mean, I could get that, but it's like the easiest thing to make. But I did tell myself I wanted to do quality parts. But this is pretty freaking easy. It's literally a piece of metal, like a flat piece of flat bar, and then it bolts here and here for the steering rack, and then to move it down, they just extend this, put a plate on it, and then there's going to be 2 bolts down here. So you literally bolt this to where it normally was bolted, and then the bracket comes down, or the steering rack comes down and then bolts right here to 2 nuts that are welded on a plate of metal. It's kind of like I might just make that. It's pretty freaking easy, and I could save $300. So I'll probably end up making that unless I decide to buy it. But I'll do the wiring specialties harness and then an exhaust manifold, because I need one of those. I guess I'll just send it and buy one, and if it needs to be modified, I'll modify it a little bit. But there's not that much room in there, and there's no shot I can pay for a custom one where they come out here and make one. So I'll do that with the stimulus. Wiring specialty harness, turbo manifold. And yeah, I really want to get my Mini Cooper built too. I'm really tempted to just spend the stimulus on that and kind of like put all that money into that and just kind of get that going, but I'm not. I diagnosed, there's I got a code. What code is it? A P1497 code, which is it's like an intake leak somewhere, air intake leak somewhere. I don't remember the full description of what it was, but I kind of diagnosed it. It's a gasket, it's a valve cover gasket. It's just hissing. It's really loud. I kind of noticed it before, and I started to get a code for it. I think I'm just gonna ride it out until I don't know if the clutch is going out. I can't tell, because BMW has like that thing where it has a adaptive throttle control or whatever, where it like learns how you drive and it like changes the throttle response and all this stupid shit that I hate. And they own Mini, which Mini has it too, so that it might be just like switching, it feels different to me. I really don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of keep driving that till if the clutch goes out or not, and then hopefully RX-8 will be getting there at some point. When I do the fabrication stuff, part of it, like engine mounts and all that stuff, I'll probably, I don't want to say I will because I don't know for sure, but I might throw all the fabrication in like one video. Like engine mounts, I have to make that pulley bracket and the steering rack bracket. So I might like throw all that in one video, or I might separate them. I'm not sure yet. yeah, so that's kind of the, wait, hold on, I have more notes. Hold on. I was like, oh, hey, oh, today, make me talk about skipped last week. Yeah, I skipped last week. Cool, and that's about it. Cool. I'm also moving my setup, my whole desk setup, because I got a bigger bed and it's taking up my whole room. I switched from a queen to a king, and I could barely walk in my room with this desk in this corner because it takes up half my room. So all this will be moved into the other room, my living room, for the next video probably. Yeah, I'll do that. No, I won't do that today. Just joking. Yeah, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Pretty short, and that's where I'm at with the RX-8. It's getting there slowly but surely. Honestly, it's just like when it's cold, I really don't want to do anything. There's no motivation in me at all. So, it's warming up for sure, and I am more motivated to do things. That's where I'm at right now. So, videos will be coming out more consistently as the weather gets better here in Central Oregon. If it gets better. Central Oregon, I don't know. But thanks for watching. I usually post every Wednesday. Sometimes I skip a week, but it's not common. So yeah, thanks for watching.